Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanya and this video is all about biotique products. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step is scrubbing and I will be using biotique papaya scrub today, and I have the 75 gram one and it comes for 199, and let's get started. Let's use it and see the results. Guys, what I will be doing is taking some spray bottle something. This is the normal water which I'm using, just making my face wet, just spraying some. That's it. So my face is wet now, and I will be taking some product. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just taking some and applying it on my face. Make sure your face is wet before you use it. I'm taking some steps over here because we have blackheads on our nose. Make sure your face is wet before applying it, and with the help of my fingers only I will be scrubbing my face. So just take some water, spray some water on your hands, and just you can rub it. You can see how it is. So guys, I'm done with the scrubbing now, and this is what my skin looks like. So बहुत soft हो गई है, and this is what you want. So all the dead skin, जितनी भी dead skin होती है हमारे face पे, it will be gone after using this scrub. If you have sensitive skin like me, I have very sensitive skin, definitely go for biotique papaya scrub. बिल्कुल rash नहीं आता face पे after using it. बहुत mild है. Also जितना भी dead skin है सब चली जाती है. If you will use it regularly, definitely आपका tan भी first उसमें तो नहीं, I will say, but if you use it frequently, like you can say twice a week, you can use it. और करना भी चाहिए scrub twice a week, so that आपकी dead skin जितनी भी है should vanish away from your face. It should not be there. Okay, so the main ingredients in this scrub is neem, papaya and haldi. The three of them are very good for your skin. You also know papaya tanning के लिए ही it is good, and papaya scrub ही है ये, so it will help in tan removal. Makes your skin soft. So if you are looking for any good scrub which is very mild सा, इतना harsh नहीं है, then you can definitely go for biotique papaya scrub, and this one is for 199. अगर आपको इतना नहीं जाना, then you can definitely go for the इससे कम वाला pack which is just for 75 bucks and which is easily you can buy. Okay guys, so the next step is toning, and which is very important to do after scrubbing. अगर आप toning नहीं करोगे तो आपके pores open रह जाएंगे और फिर वो open दिखते हैं, which looks very bad on your face. So you have to definitely use any toner. अगर आप toning नहीं करते हो, then at the end of the day you will end up getting blackheads and whiteheads, because जितनी भी dirt होगी आपके pores open रहेंगे, and that dirt will go in your pores and it will automatically end up giving you whiteheads and blackheads. Don't forget to tone your face, which is very important. So I have biotique bio cucumber toner which helps in pore tightening. Also it is suitable for normal to oily skin. अगर आपकी normal skin है, मतलब oil control भी करता है ये, which is good. So after the scrubbing I will be just taking this on a cotton pad, just few drops, और उसको dab करके on my face, all over my face I will be applying it, and on my forehead. So now done with toning also. So I just quickly tell you what all this toner helps in, and so this toner is biotique bio cucumber toner which helps in pore tightening, ठीक है, and this is for normal to oily skin. So the third step is face pack, and for the face pack I will be using the biotique biofruit face pack. So let's apply it and see how the results are. So it comes in like somewhat pinkish color. I just take some on my brush. So this is what it looks like, something in pink color, and let me start applying it. So guys, this is what my skin looks like now after washing my face and using the Biotique Bio Fruit Face Pack. So this, I just quickly tell you about this, what all this product has. So it says it helps in whitening, depigmentation and tan removal, which you can clearly see on my face. Yes, it has removed my tan. Also it states that it can be used for all skin types, but I will say not all skin types. If you have dry skin, then a no to you, because yes, I am feeling a bit dry, but I have normal skin, so I can say if you have normal to dry, oily skin, then you can use this. And obviously, and this tube is just 50 gram. I just wanted to try, that's why I've got the small pack. So I just wanted to try and see the results. So results are okay, and if like you can use it if you want to. So it is 50 grams and I have got this for 75 rupees. And also the ingredients, some of the ingredients in this are the tomato juice, pineapple juice and multani mitti. So talking about the fragrance of all three products till now which I have used is scrub में भी इतना fragrance नहीं है, you can use, बहुत mild सा fragrance है तीनों में, so you can easily use. There are people जिनको fragrance से बहुत ज़्यादा problem होती है and they cannot use products with strong fragrance, then so it doesn't have any strong fragrance, बहुत mild सी है, you can easily use it, be it be the face pack, the toner or the scrub. So the last step is all about moisturizing, and for moisturizing I will be using the Biotique Morning Nectar, and it says that it is for all skin type, but it is not for all skin type. It's a bit greasy, if you can see how greasy it is, how shiny, yeah. So for oily skin type, a big no. Yes, if you have dry skin you can apply it, or normal skin you can apply it. And after the face pack, yes, your skin gets a bit dry, then you can use this moisturizer. It's been quite a long time I have got this one. So at that time I have got for 199 rupees for 20 ml. Now I think it will be approx 250 or 260. I will mention the price. And also you can apply it at the daytime and night time both. So guys, if you ask me about the review, the scrub is very good, a thumbs up from my side. Yes, if you are someone from sensitive skin, then you can definitely buy that one. The toner is bit strong. Yes, you can mix it with other products. Like I have said, I will be making separate video. Definitely I will be making separate video and sharing it with you, so that you can mix it. उसके बाद आपको बिल्कुल वो strong नहीं लगेगा and you can easily use it. And the third tan removal face pack is also good, a thumbs up from my side again for that one, if you can buy that. And the Morning Nectar, yes, I didn't like much, the fragrance is also not that good. For rest 3 products, a thumbs up. Definitely I will repurchase them, but not the moisturizer. So this is all for the video guys. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for further more videos, and also you can comment down below what would you like to see next on my channel. Bye.